Hi, this is the Pixelate Pro and I'll show you how to hide developer options on this device. So first let's open the settings and then scroll down to the system section. Here you'll see developer options, just tap on them and to hide them we should click to the switcher. Now we should restart the device just to change the settings, so tap the restart button and just wait a couple of seconds, so 30 seconds, half of the minute, while your device will restarting. After that, let's just unlock the device. Let's open the settings, scroll down to the system, and we could see that the developer options section disabled successfully. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.